In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your password in Jira, specifically in our 2025 version of the Jira tutorial. Let's dive right into it and make this process as seamless as possible for you. To start, head over to the upper left corner of your Jira interface. Here you'll find either your avatar or profile picture, which serves as your gateway to personal settings. Once you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. What you need to do next is select either Account Settings or Manage Account. Depending on the version you are using, this is essential for accessing your personal configuration options. Once you've clicked on the appropriate choice, you'll be redirected to the Atlassian page. Now let's take a closer look at this web page. You'll notice different sections designed to help you manage various aspects of your account. Your goal here is to find the security section. This section is fundamental because it houses all the security options for your account. Once you've navigated to the security section, take a moment to look around for the change your password option. It's generally very visible, designed for easy access because security hosts pivotal elements of account management. Go ahead and select it to continue with the process. Moving ahead, the system will prompt you to enter your current password. This step acts as a security measure to ensure that it's actually you who is making these changes. So in the first field, type in your current password. Be sure to double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors. With that step done, it's time to think about your new password. This will be entered in the second field. When creating a new password, strive for a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This approach enhances the security of your password significantly. Take the time to ensure it's both strong and memorable, or consider using a password manager to keep track of it for you. Now, after you've carefully entered your new password, review both fields to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your entries, the final step is clicking Save Changes. This action will store the new password and complete the process of updating your Jira credentials. And that's it. You've successfully updated your password in Jira. Keep in mind, updating your password regularly is a vital practice in safeguarding your account and sensitive information. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.